questions po before po tayo mag-proceed sa schedule of cost natin. Wala bang question? Baka walang naiintindihan. Yes po.
Okay, good afternoon. Ang question ko lang po ma'am, yung sa renewal of certification, after 5 years, halimbawa po, dito sa amin na dressmaking, kami po yung may-ari ng dress shop, then hanapan kami ng, ano ba to? Ano ba yung certification of employment, wala kaming maibigay, paano po namin mai-renew yung certification namin kasi hindi po kami makakakuha kasi kami yung may-ari ng dress shop.
So as I said earlier, you can present certificate of employment or other certificates na pwede po natin